We're back. No, we did not sell the Country Coach and buy a fifth wheel. Hold it. Stop the video. Guys, now you really didn't think it was going to go that well for us to finally get our motorhome back, did you? Wrong. Guys, April of 2023 will be 1 year that we have been dealing with trying to get our motorhome fixed and get it back. And for a very few brief seconds, I thought we were finally on the road to being able to get our motorhome back to us. I was completely wrong. 2 days after we shot this video, everything went south. But I'm going to go ahead and let it play out because we did need a little tiny bit of hope for us for 2023. But wrong. So stay tuned for details coming very soon where I'm going to do a video to talk to you guys about what to do and how to protect yourself against corrupt insurance companies. So we're back up here at Motorhomes of Texas. Finally got the thing in over here to get the interior and the awning put on it. As you know, it's been a disaster trying to deal with the time frame on getting all that done. But it is looking sharp. As you remember in the previous videos, it has all been repainted. All the graphics are redone. And yes, we finally have a new awning back on the motorhome. Unfortunately, if you remember also from the previous videos, we had talked with Motorhomes of Texas about doing a Gerard or like even a Carefree. I hate Carefree awnings, but even a Carefree makes a frameless awning, but turns out those are junk also. And Gerard said that they would be unable to put one of those on this motorhome without an extensive amount of interior work because they have to go in there and they have to add like sole plates and reinforcements for the weight of the awning hanging off the edge. So unfortunately, we had to go back with another Carefree awning, but I guess at least it's new. So maybe it won't give us trouble for, you know, a long time down the road, I guess, I hope. Anyway, it looks great. They are actually working on the inside now, and man, you're not gonna believe the progress. So they just started on this thing yesterday, and let me show you what's going on inside. All right, so unfortunately the interior lighting is always crap in these videos on a phone, but that's all I have to shoot today is I don't have my camera with me. But this is Jeremy. He doesn't want to be on video because he may or may not have been seen in a post office somewhere. I'm not for sure what the deal is with that. No, just kidding. Anyways, Jeremy is one of our interior specialists here at Motorhomes of Texas. He is the one that's been doing all the repairs. And as you can see, they have everything torn out of the slide over here. Did find some unyieldy stuff behind there, a lot of water damage. And this is the old wall panel that came out. And as you can see, ooh, lots and lots of crap going on back there with water damage, leakage, all kinds of crazy stuff. Of course, as you know, all this happened almost a year ago in April, so unfortunately that didn't help also with all the water sitting in there for so long. But anyway, this guy right here is on top of it. They are actually already going back together with it. I can't, it's amazing, guys. I'm telling you what they've done with this thing is amazing. Now, what we knew going into it, and Jeremy can shake his head and say, yeah, we knew we were going to have a hard time trying to match the wallpaper because, I mean, God, come on, guys. It is a 2004 model motorhome. And these things were put together like Heinz 57, so there's no telling where they got it, off of some Amazon and Chinese eBay stuff that they used, and they can't match it. So what our interior design specialist here has done, they have built these, what do you call them, Jeremy?
Vinyl wall panels.
Vinyl wall panels. So they've added all the foam back in there, the wall board, they've got it all sealed up, and they built these new vinyl panels, which are very lovely to feel, by the way. Man, they're padded and everything. Whew. Anyways, they have built those panels and they look fantastic. So he is already going back together with all the interior parts and everything that they had to pull out and get all that stuff done. And fortunately, I come by here because I got a lesson from our interior design specialist here on how to get these stupid lights out from the bottom, because half of ours are burnt out. So I didn't actually know how to get those out, but I just got a lesson on that. Thank you, sir, very much. And as you can see, we have all our LED strips up here and all that stuff works. So we're going to get all these fixed. Hopefully we can get all that stuff working. Because as you can see that one's on. These no bueno.
Oh, man.
And, but we got a ton of those throughout the motorhome that are all burned out. So now I know how to get those out. I can finally get them fixed. And while we were here, we got on the discussion of how bad I hate the carpet in this thing. So Mr. Keith, who's not out here right now, they're going to work us up on doing away with the carpet, recarpeting the slide and the bedroom, so it'd be all nice and lushy instead of this old crap that's in here. But taking all of this out and doing some kind of planking style floor that would look really good, and he said they can blend it right in with this tile work. It'll look fantastic. So we're going to try to get that done down the road. But anyway, progress is being made. It's fantastic. Can't thank these guys enough now. We've been very frustrated trying to get this thing fixed, but we are well on the way to being able to finally have the motorhome back so we can get on with all the other projects that we had going on as well. You can see there's some stains left on the floor there from where all the water was. But anyway, all that's okay. It's just the carpet, but it's all covered up. You can't see it anyway, so we're just going to leave that for now. But we are going to try to have all this redone, and at the time, though, we'll just recarpet that with whatever carpet we end up going on this side. So that's it, folks. It's coming along good again, finally. Looks really nice. Some other things that the country coaches are kind of known for is their door hinges kind of suck. I don't know if you can see that or not up there, but anyway, we're going to try to have the door hinges fixed also while it's here. So pretty soon, guys, pretty soon we should have the old girl back. Looking into also getting the windows fixed. This is another issue with the country coaches. Well, with all motorhomes, not just this one. But the fogging on the windows is a real bad known issue also. I'll be so happy to have it back. She looks great. You know, it is an old motorhome still, though. We do have some things we got to get fixed, right? But anyway, that's where we're at right now. So thank the Lord. Things are finally coming together. As you know, we did have a lot of frustrations being vented about trying to get the motorhome done, but I apologize to them. And there it is, looking good. So until next time, when we will be picking it up and driving it down the highway, guys. We'll see y'all later, and don't forget, we still have a long, long way to go. I wanted to take a minute here to be sure and say thank you to all of you out there, the subscribers, for being patient with us while we were on kind of a holiday break. I really appreciated it, and it just really meant a lot to me, as I kind of needed to get away from, you know, all the editing and just the amount of work it really does to take all these videos and to turn them into something that's worth watching. So again, I appreciate it, guys. Thank y'all so much for the patience. We are coming back very soon. I wanted to get this out there, you know, just to give a little update of where we're at and what we're dealing with. And like I say, stay tuned, because we're going to talk about this insurance deal and what we went through and just how corrupt insurance companies really are. And at the end of the day, hey, all they want to do is take your money, and when the time rolls around, you know, to try to help you out, well, they're never there. So stay tuned for that coming up. And again, a huge thank you to everybody out there and we will see you very, very soon.